Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today I'm doing a little bit of a bonus video because I get asked all the time, what are the best items to personalize from the Dollar Tree with your Cricut or your Silhouette Cameo, Brother Scan and Cut, those types of things. So I figured we'd go over some of my favorites and kind of go over the reason why. Now, from the Dollar Tree, a lot of the things that you can get in the glassware department are really well made. So for guys, you can do something like this. Let me see if I can shove one of these oven mitts in it so you can see what it says. See, this is just etched on here, but you could easily use vinyl. This is using the Armor Etch. I have a tutorial over this, but their beer mugs are awesome gifts for guys. Their little glass candle jars are great to turn into makeup brush holders, pen holders, and again, it's really thick, nice glass. Another thing from the glassware department that I always like to get are their wine glasses. Now this is done, the bottom is glittered with super fine glitter and Mod Podge. And then this is HTV on the top, and there are tutorials on how to do both of these processes as well. And there are tutorials on how to make these into makeup brush holders and things like that. I have tutorials on most of this stuff, but especially if you're new, this is something good for you to know. These little cutting boards, they're $1. They have round and square. Again, they're super easy to decorate, super easy to do, and just a good value. As well as the plates. And this is done with the Armor Etch etching cream as well. Clear glass works really well as an Armor Etch project or as an adhesive vinyl project or even an HTV project. Now they also a lot of times will have these clear coffee, white coffee mugs. And this is just watercolored with Sharpies, and I baked it, and as you can see, this was done almost 2 years ago. It still looks awesome. So that's another project you can do. Another thing that I like to get from there is they'll have makeup bags a lot of times. Stuff like this. This just has adhesive vinyl on it, and they do have fabric ones, but you can't beat a $1 makeup bag. And their fabric items such as pot holders, which that one I did a tutorial on, oven mitts, kitchen towels are also great for gifts. They're super cheap, super easy to make. And during Christmas time, they'll have like the plastic holiday ornaments. I don't have any here right now, but as well as stockings that you can personalize. These make great class party favors, and it's super inexpensive. And sometimes you can find like gloves and socks, which also make great stocking stuffers. But those are some of the things I like. And I also like to get their soaps as well as the antibacterial gel and change out the label. They make great Christmas gifts and office coworker gifts. So those are my favorite things to personalize from the Dollar Tree. And I would also like to know, what are your favorite things to personalize from the Dollar Tree? Leave it down in the comments below. Now, don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when we post new videos, which for Christmas is every single day of the month, all the way up till December 21st. We have lots of tutorials on all this stuff, so if you check through Craftsmas and even some of my old ones, there's a ton of different projects that you can do that are super inexpensive, that you can use your vinyl and go to town to get all those little gifts out of the way. Now, don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. And we are doing our scrap box drawing on January the 4th. We just posted the video on December the 4th. So if you go comment on that, that will give you an entry. But we are giving away a bonus scrap box on December the 15th. And there's a post that if you take and like and share our Facebook page, take and subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment and like on the scrap box drawing video, and go and check us out on Instagram and follow us and like that post, that's 3 entries into that drawing, which it is an amazing scrap box. Because of Christmas, we have so many extra scraps, it's crazy. And if anybody has won a scrap box, they can tell you how much stuff comes with it. It is absolutely awesome. But other than that, don't forget to check me out on my second channel, which is just Betsy Gocher, which is where I do all things makeup. And every Friday is a crafting for Disney. So it is either a Disney shirt or just different Disney items if you are planning a Disney trip or if you're just a Disney fanatic like I am. So I guess that's it, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.